Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, make sure the laptop is awake and not sleeping, then plug it in if battery is low. Once done, locate the two keys with light icons or a single key that cycles brightness. Note whether you must press FN or enable FN lock. Next, open the system quick settings, Windows Mobility Center, Mac keyboard preferences, or the vendor keyboard utility. This confirms whether software control exists and lets you test the hardware key immediately. You press the designated key combination to change brightness, short presses cycle levels, or hold for continuous change. If nothing happens, enable FN lock and try again. Then use the vendor utility or OS slider to set a precise level so you can see if software control works versus hardware only. If still no response, inspect Device Manager for the HID keyboard and keyboard driver, update or reinstall drivers, and run Windows Update, because outdated drivers often prevent the keyboard backlight from responding. You finish by saving any changes in the vendor app and rebooting to confirm persistence. Make sure BIOS or UEFI has keyboard backlight enabled, and install firmware updates if available. This resolves many hardware-level blocks. If the backlight still fails, update or roll back drivers, toggle FN lock again, and test an external USB keyboard to isolate hardware from software. If problems persist, contact manufacturer support. They can advise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.